for now. All right, cool. Let me get this off the screen. And we can get started, man. So we can starting with we're gonna start with your two, man. That's what I got up first. ARM and QCOM. Qualcomm.
Qualcomm. All right.
So I'm gonna give you the screen, and then I'll be looking. I'll just go over some different things on my side while you talking. You know.
All right. Bet.
Bring some things
Alright.
up.
So you live? We live?
Yeah, we live. We live. We just gonna go over kind of what you seen on ARM. I'll be pulling some things up on the chart, maybe some technicals, fundamentals, and stuff like that. But so
Yeah.
how do you come up with that play for ARM? What were
So
you seeing?
ARM, I've been watching ARM for a good 5, 6 months now, and I was in some ARM calls when they were at their highs. So I had them on my radar ever since, and I've been waiting for them to come down to a nice level of consolidation. Just a perfect level to come down to.
Right.
And right here where it says is an ideal of a perfect level for ARM around the 140. Perfect opportunity to buy for the upside. And they have earnings coming out this week, so I'm really liking pre-run up earnings play on ARM.
I can see
Um,
it.
I'm really liking them for the whole earnings to go through, to be honest. But I think I'm gonna do pre-earnings run up on ARM. But they're just at a perfect level. They've been chilling at this level for a while. Um, and I see they have a lot of potential, just a lot of potential to grow. But yeah, I
Okay.
just think they're at a perfect solid level to buy for the upside. They could come down, but it's like how much more can they come down? You know, that's just what I see in it. And it's got some nice flags and stuff it's forming.
I do see
Um,
the 200 MA is bouncing off of that 200 MA for the third time in like the last 2 weeks. So um, it is like you said at a good support level. It's
yeah.
forming a double bottom. We got room to rally into earnings. So yeah, I like it. Nice setup. Um, you got arm pull it up, Drake. You want to comment or you got some? You want to chime in on it? Still on? Oh nah, he ain't on in the Discord.
He logged out.
Yeah, he not on in the
Yeah, he ain't
Discord.
moving. That boy ain't moving.
He ain't on there, is it?
Nah, he's stuck.
Oh, he's
I thought
screen
he.
on, but I don't know what's on. All right, cool.
He said, "Yo,"
Let's see.
and he just said something.
I'm about to hit him on the phone. Yeah, I like arm though, man. We got a double bottom forming. Bounce off of the 200 MA for the third time since the 24th of October, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Not even. Um, I think we'll go back and retest these recent highs at about 157. Yeah, around 157. I see us going up pretty quick. So I like that call, bro.
Yeah, that's
And
nice.
your
I
second
think that's a nice
call, you had QCOM that you watching.
call. Yeah.
Yep, Qualcomm.
Let me pull it up. Pull it up. Yeah. So with Qualcomm, they really. I feel like they got a lot of value somewhere in there. You know what I'm saying? I feel like they got a lot of value for just the uptrend on this company because of all the AI growth, everything going on in this sector. Um, I'm really liking it. It's been at this. It's been. It's been around these levels. It's been around these levels where they at right
Consolidate.
now. Let me put it on the daily chart.
It look like it been consolidating there between 153 and 175, 176 since
Yeah.
like August.
So
Yeah.
so yeah, around yep. Well, we do have well this was the beginning of this year where it's kind of started off around 140 and it's kind of it's been way above that since. And then we've been we did a little rocket ship somewhere in there, and we came back down to a solid consolidation level from where it was back in March. So I could definitely see this going up back to highs around 200 mark somewhere, maybe a little bit lower than that. Um, but it's looking real nice to the upside on the earnings. I like Qualcomm. I like Qualcomm.
Okay. So we like looking at ARM and Qualcomm headed into earnings, push to the upside. On the technical side of Qualcomm, um, we got a third touch on the support on the line of support. Let's see if we can try to get us in the channel and where's that tool at? I got this one tool I be using on here that creates that somewhat of a channel for me.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we had good levels on that. I like that one, bro.
Yeah, I like those. Those are my top two this week, man. I think those. I looked at all the other companies too, but these two, I don't know, some kind of spiked my eyes on them because of last week we had some of the Magnificent Seven report and it was just like an all over place report. And with these new reports we got this week, I feel like it's not going to be as crazy as last week, but I feel like it could be more on
Mm-hmm.
the upside with these companies than the companies we had last week. Um, and then we also have election this week, so it could be crazy. I could be wrong, you know what I'm saying? But just from what I seen last week, I see something more positive this week on these companies.
For sure.
Uh, but yeah, I could see them. I could see them doing their thing.
For sure. Think we can go into let's go FinViz and look at some of the commentary and fundamentals. Let's start with ARM. ARM, they did get one downgrade on the 31st. They got initiated and outperform on the 18th of September. AI chip leader, ARM, on deck for earnings. With earnings season in full swing, several noteworthy companies are on the radar for upcoming week. However, volatility around earnings is not uncommon, and investors should proceed with caution. Near the 50-day MA, a break below the 50 level in higher volume would trigger a sell. AI chip design leader ARM is among the companies headlining this week's earnings. So basically, if we get a run up, if they tank on earnings, they could trigger a sell. I doubt that they trigger that before earnings. That's not likely.
Mm-hmm.
But we can catch that run up and get out of the way.
Exactly.
So
Let's get out the way. Stay smart. Smart move.
yeah,
Less risk involved.
I like it. That's all the
Cause it's down so much. So right here is just perfect to buy for the upside. I like it a lot.
it's looking real good. Even on this chart on FinViz, to be honest, if it breaks this to the upside, it's gonna retest and keep going because it's kind of making like a pennant formation, so it can break either way right now. Which actually, it looked like it did try to break down. Yeah, it did gap down. So that pushed back to the upside. If we get a rally into earnings, I would definitely take that profit in and be out of that. QCOM. And then let's see. Look at the economic calendar. So for news, we got, of course, the election on Tuesday. We got PMI.
Thursday.
PMI is Tuesday.
PMI Tuesday.
We get crude oil inventories every week. This week it's on Wednesday. And then we got Fed rate decision. So the main things are, of course, the election on Tuesday, and then we got Fed rate decision on Thursday. So that's why we're gonna see some heavy volatility. I like us to push. I like us to push higher through the election, man, and then maybe around the rate decision, the Fed lets us know that they're gonna pause. I think we're gonna get a pause on Thursday instead of them doing another rate cut because everything's going in their favor right now. We got inflation is gradually coming down. We still GDP gradually going up, so we in good position to hold. They can hold rates and still get the same outcome that they're looking to get. So not much news other than that. Some real big news, but not much. Got 2 days of crazy news, and the rest of that gonna be some good days to trade. My two this week, which I got a few more that I'm looking at, but the top two, especially looking at a run into earnings. Cyber art, this is on the daily, but let me go over to maybe the 2 hour. Yeah, we scrubbing the bottom of the RSI right around 30. We just below 30 on the RSI. Cyber art, with cybersecurity in general, we were just talking about it, like how you gotta be watching out for people trying to do shit, cause that's the way to do things nowadays, bro. Now that a lot of people don't hold cash, a lot of companies are transitioning over to taking a lot of payments and shit online, and all of that's you're gonna have to amp up your cybersecurity with everything being digital now.
Right. Yep.
So cybersecurity is gonna be a major part of this whole transition over to the digital world, digital currencies. Even as far as like the election with cyber attacks and shit like that. If we fuck around and get a cyber attack, bro, tomorrow or something like that before the election, all cybersecurity sector, the whole cybersecurity sector gonna surge. Or shit gonna be gone.
Shit gonna be not good.
Outside of the
we've seen it happen already one time, so
for sure. Outside of the fundamentals, even the technicals, you have real good levels. So I got one call on cyber art out to January 13, January 17. So I may average into that position, maybe 1 or 2 more contracts, depending on how the price action is. But yeah, I like cyber art.
What's the symbol on that one?
What's up?
What's the symbol on that one?
CYBR.
Yeah, I'm gonna be watching them too going into this week.
And then they got a whole another week before they earning, so shit, you catch
I
them.
see the past week they went down $14.
Yeah, they've been pulling
down.
back.
5%.
They've been pulling back. They get into a nice level of support, and previous highs have been testing there a couple times around the same area. So
So what would be a good level to buy in for the upside?
right where it's at, honestly. And anything lower than this, you can average in,
Right.
and then we should be turning soon and pushing to the upside and rallying into earnings. Depending on how much we get before earnings, I like them through earnings. And honestly, if I can get 3 contracts, I wouldn't mind selling 2 if I get over 100% and play the rest with house money.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't mind that. What would we need to get? Let's see, simulate returns. What would we need to get up on?
That's crazy, bro. SMCI to $26, bro.
Yeah, that motherfucker done tanked, dog.
I can't believe that. And now it's at $25. It's like it's just keeping going down. Oh shit, it's my son. What's up, boy? What you doing? Watching what? Ain't you supposed to be going?
Let me see.
Alright. I miss you, boy. I'll get you this week when I get back from out of town.
Go up to 300.
Not right now, but I'm about to leave on Tuesday. I gotta go get my tooth fixed.
That's it. That's why you're going outside.
Yeah?
DraftKings.
Your daddy's crazy.
I want to keep your
I do. This tooth came out. It's a fake it's a temporary tooth in there.
On the 2 hour.
Huh?
That's why you're holding a napkin by her mouth, bro.
No, I was just eating. That's why I was wiping my mouth. Bro.
Bro.
You ask your mama why she lied to me?
No.
So
But don't even ask her. Just make that, okay?
Hold up.
let's
Hold
do
up.
that.
Who you texting?
No, cock up, Tyson.
Microsoft looking good. I know you're on the phone, bro. I'ma just go through these.
No, you good.
Microsoft looking good. We got a gap to fill to the other side. Oh. Let's see. You back on, Drake?
Yeah, you back.
I'm trying to get on for an hour, man.
Oh, it was the
Yes,
service.
sir. I went out.
I don't know what it is, bro. Fucking, they got Kodak got Cyber Art going to 290 next week.
I told you. I knew it. I see that shit on Sidebar, bro.
The Cyber look nice.
Let me go back to that chart.
Hopefully the collection don't fuck with it, but by their prediction, that AI prediction, they're predicting that bitch to go to 290, and then it's gonna shoot back down.
I think it's gonna rally into them earnings, bro.
What up, boy? How was your day? Did you have a
I
good
think it's
day?
gonna rally into them earnings.
Okay. You learned something at school?
Huh?
You learned something at school?
Do you even not know the date, bro?
What's
Yeah.
today? Oh yeah, today's Sunday. I don't. Your daddy just be living every day like every
A
day.
lot of
Yes.
contracts,
Which ones?
your FSLR.
Nah, man. I ain't got them no more, bro. I sold them for profit before earnings and they tank, right?
Yeah.
I should have got back in, and he in them. He got in
Yeah,
them,
I bought
That's next week. FSLR.
huh?
I got it till January. I got
Yeah, them
it.
bitches finna go. They finna go.
I'm holding that
Man,
thing, bro. That because if you look at it right now, overnight it just did like $3, another $4.
bro,
I just got an alert on them. Hold on. Let me show you what the alert say. Let me go.
I knew they was getting ready to push too, man. I had them on the daily, bro. They at the bottom getting ready to push, so they got a ways to go, bro.
Whoa, they at 210 now, bro.
That shit going crazy, man.
It should have $6 overnight. That's crazy.
That shit
Yeah,
going
I
crazy.
just got an alert on them bitches. It say they going to.
I'm talking about
Hold
some
on.
straight now.
How much did you
See,
get?
I
Oh
got
no, something was getting ready for it tomorrow.
Then they
Tomorrow.
got Lockheed Martin on that bitch. They got Lockheed Martin, First Solar, Reddit, and Roku.
Yeah, Reddit went crazy too.
yeah,
Reddit
Reddit
went
went crazy
stupid.
for Ernest. So now that I done went through my two for um my two that I'm watching for this week, that's probably what we can do. Have each one of us come up with our two for the week, our two watches, and we can go over earnings, the economic data, our watch list, and I wouldn't mind doing like once we start getting people in here like a Q&A to look into different stocks. That'll be something good that we can do once we got them in here. Far as earnings though, man, what else?
Bro, how much candy did you get, dog?
What else we looking at on earnings, Drake?
Let me see. Yeah,
Oh,
bro, I'm gonna come
Palantir.
finish, bro.
Palantir Monday out the close.
You don't even need
Look at
that much
that.
candy.
Palantir.
What about it?
They got earnings Monday out the
She loves
close.
it. How much you want?
Hmm?
She loves
Yeah,
it. How
they
much?
been putting back.
They've been pulling back
Boy,
too.
all your teeth gonna fall out.
I want
But
you to
you
check out
brushing,
that too, man. I
brushing your
don't know
teeth.
what's gonna go on,
Yeah,
but
like,
Coin Code is literally
uh,
going 300.
I only ate like,
Coin Codex.
Yeah, every time Coin Codex line up with shit I be fucking drawing out on Tesla, that shit hit 100%, bro.
What they got Tesla doing?
It's gonna bounce up and then gonna get a small pullback, and then they got that bitch going over 300.
I was just telling him that earlier. I was like, man, I think this next pullback on Tesla gonna be your last chance.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna screenshot and send it to you.
Yeah, see you good on Coin Codex. I know you be watching that a lot and getting alerts and shit from them. Let's see.
I just be comparing, bro. Like if they see the same shit that we see, goddamn, it ain't no coincidence. You know what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying? They got
Mm-hmm.
that bitch at 350 by November 28th. They got at 354.
Damn. I know the Tesla gonna make a big move, bro. Once all that stuff, everything that he got planned starts coming into effect, like all the cybercab and um the humanoid robot, all that shit, man. Once all that come into play, Tesla gonna be gone. Ain't no
Yeah.
company got all of that shit. Like as a one company, ain't no car company got robots. It ain't no robotic company selling cars.
Hey, I did see that. Did you see that Google, the Google company that or the, I forgot what it's called, but it's those cars that drive by themselves, like them
Waymo.
Jaguars and Yeah,
Waymo.
and they just valued the company at like 50-something billion dollars, some
Mm-hmm.
shit.
I rode in a Waymo earlier this year in Arizona.
Oh yeah, I think he was telling me about that shit.
Yeah, that's them shit's on point. The thing with Waymo, and I didn't know that. I think they controlled by people though. I think they still
It,
driven by
they
somebody.
gotta be, dog.
I
They
think
gotta
because
be.
because fully autonomous ain't been approved yet. Like
Yeah.
fully autonomous, unsupervised ain't been approved yet. So it had to be somebody driving it from like an office or something. But
Hey,
Mhm.
they might have put some of them bitches on cruise control though, like because you seen some of the times like where they had the car driving on the wrong
oh
side of the
yeah,
road, got pulled over by the police and shit like that.
yeah, yeah.
They could have put it in autonomous then, and that bitch is driving on the wrong
Hey,
side.
what's crazy is you could have motherfuckers like doing some shit like they ain't supposed to be doing, and then they jump in like the passenger side and be like, "Nah, I had this motherfucker on autonomous, dog." Like, you know, that'd be crazy, dog. I know if I had a Tesla and that motherfucker was speeding, I'd jump on the other side. Like, hey, dog, this motherfucker's autonomous, dog. They gotta fix that shit.
Yeah, they gotta fix. I gotta take the steering wheel out of that bitch, dog, just to just so you know.
Yeah, no.
I like watching this too, though, man. I got this from Trap. I mean, I know a lot of people watch it, but I got this specific. I got in this habit from following Trap. Where I watch the Fear Greed Index.
Oh yeah.
Um, and you know, because you want to buy when you're in like that fear mode, extreme fear, and when you're in extreme greed, you don't want to be buying because you know we overbought, of course.
Right, right.
Um, but yeah, over the last month, we were in greed. Um, we've been falling now to fear. We're in neutral right now. But we closed that fear in fear mode on Friday. So depending on how this go, we'll get an idea of like the direction of the market and how everybody feeling, how all the investors and shit feeling. It just ain't no telling with this election, man. This shit is totally different than a lot of.
I
Yeah,
think,
yeah.
I think people gonna take all their money out at one time type shit. There's gonna be some
Yeah,
crazy shit pop off.
yeah, I can see something like that. It's crazy though because we in the middle of a rate cut cycle, and usually when you start cutting rates, you pumping more money into the economy and shit'll start growing. But we also got a lot of bullshit going on, wars and election and you know telling.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can hear me, Gerard?
Yep.
Yeah, they put out an alert on Lockheed Martin too, so keep your eyes on that bitch too. You know where that bitch go.
Let's see, LMT. Ooh, LMT down about 100. No, they down about 60, 60, 70 in like the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yeah, that's an expensive ass stock.
That motherfucker has some good levels to buy in. Though. If you gonna buy it, you damn sure want to buy it way the hell down here.
And the IBs on them out, not too bad. Like 17%.
They must have fell. Yeah, they fell on earnings. That's what it was. Yeah, they beat top, missed the bottom, and fell on earnings. They dropped down from about 614 to 544, so by $70, a little over 10%. I like Lockheed.
For the upside?
LMT is the ticker.
You know what I'm saying? You like it for the upside?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not planning on putting no play, not planning on establishing no positions, but on the technicals, that's a good area to buy. Like they haven't been this deep on the RSI all year. They ain't been that low. They ain't sunk that low on the RSI all year.
Yeah, they good.
I haven't looked at any fundamentals on them though to know what they looking like.
Don't forget about Nvidia, dog. You be forgetting about Nvidia, Gerard. Come on, bro. You know that's our big brother and sister, all in one.
Nvidia gonna do its thing regardless, man. I don't give a damn how far that bitch come down. You might as well just buy it.
You might as well just buy it, bro. It just makes sense.
Look, you up 425. Up 425. Just got
Well, that's the overnight price.
Yeah, cause you know they got, here go the story right here where Nvidia stock rises AI giant to join the Dow Jones and industrial average, replacing Intel. So
November 8th would be official.
I don't give a damn what stock it is. That type of news is gonna give you some bullish momentum. Then on top of that, it's the best stock, the best performing stock pretty much ever. You know what I'm saying? Going into one of the major ETFs, so.
And yeah, every time they join in one of those, like the NAS or like I was saying earlier, they tend to always do some type of big movement to the upside.
For sure.
Like, might not be off rip right when you hear the news, but it's coming.
It's damn so coming, and I want to get an opportunity to get in here before it pushes back up here to highs at these previous highs around 145, 144.
Yeah.
I think we going back there like real soon.
Yeah, I see. Once that thing get over that 1500, probably not gonna come back down for a little while. They got their earnings at the end of this month, so it'd probably be smart to play it all the way. You know what I'm saying, before the earnings.
Yeah.
Cause I mean, that's a few weeks. That's time.
But they ain't got
Right now.
earnings until the 20th. They liable to be fucking
The 20th, huh?
Yeah, they liable to be up there come time for their earnings, dog. After that type of news, they liable to rally like pushing 160 or something. Like,
Yeah, I can see it.
if they break
I
these
can see it.
highs,
Bro, if they hit one, like if they do some shit like Tesla, you know what I'm saying? They do some shit like that, bro. I think that might what happened, bro, because, you know, Tesla was like the first one to report earnings and it went crazy. And then all the ones in the middle, they didn't really do nothing. And then we got Nvidia, the last one to really report at the end of the quarter.
I think that shit was intentional.
Definitely intentional, bro. Because they know Nvidia, and then everybody been so quiet about Nvidia, bro. Ain't nobody been saying nothing.
Ain't nobody been
bro.
saying nothing, yeah.
Dropped on Friday, talking about they in the down now.
Yeah,
So
out of
now
nowhere.
this week, yeah, it'd be like that every time. It'd be some type of news that just bring one of these stocks. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody getting talked about except for that one stock.
Yeah,
Like Cav just, huh?
You said what?
Said it like Cav just joined us.
Oh, he in the Discord.
The range. Yeah.
Not on mine. It's still on. Oh, he in the audience.
Oh yeah, he in the audience.
Okay. Hey, Kel, go to the comments and join the Is that the new live? No way. I don't think that's the new live. I'm gonna put it in here.
It say he's in the range. It just say he's in the audience down there. He got to go to the speaker.
No, I'm gonna try to get him to get on the YouTube.
All right, so he got to hit speak on stage. Just tell him to hit speak on stage. Put him in there.
It ain't letting me write him for some reason. I'm finna write him on Facebook.
I just put it in the comments on the Discord. Damn, man, I like Nvidia, bro.
Yeah, bro. I think we should just lock in for long term, bro, and just probably never speak on it again, dog, until we ready to sell that motherfucker.
That bitch cooking, dog. Up 440. I knew
Bro,
that shit was gonna go crazy like that. Man, that type of news for Nvidia.
it's cooking up. As soon as that shit dropped, bro, it dropped Friday aftermarket, and then the shit just shot up. It did that $3-4 that it did. But it might do something weird where it'll pull back all that $3-4 that it just did, and then it'll probably just take off.
I'ma load the hell up. Let it come back down.
That bitch go back down 133. I'm buying 10 more long out contracts on that bitch.
Straight up. You gotta be in there.
We finna hit that Wall Street trap, man, cause you know that's all he was in. That's how he made most of his money was Nvidia, bro.
Yeah, Nvidia had him
And he
going
just holding
crazy.
bitches, dog. He held them bitches all the way, bro.
And
And it
that
turned
shit,
out good for him.
man, that shit went to doubling, tripling, quadrupling.
Yeah. It's gonna do it again. It's gonna do it again.
What other earnings we got to worry about? Affirm, the pay as you go company.
How long y'all gonna be on this, Gerald?
What's up?
How long y'all finna be on this?
Probably not too much longer, man. We done talked about everything that we wanted to talk about. I got it recorded.
We've been on this shit since like 5 o'clock, huh?
Yeah, we was on here like way earlier, bro. Like, cause remember we were talking to some of his mentees. He's a mentor for a few guys. So, shit, we talked to them.
That's a lot.
Yeah, we was on there for a couple hours, and yeah, we've been on this bitch since 5:30, 5 o'clock.
Yeah, we finna jump
But
off.
tomorrow, hey, everything we talked about though, we gotta just put it in motion this week. I got my top two I'm looking at for this week, and then you know I'm gonna probably hop in on some like QQQs. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna watch the Nas, hop in on some QQQs.
That was the last thing. You went on earlier, Drake, when we looked at that. Peep this real quick. Okay, you see Microsoft. You see how that chart look?
It ain't let me. Hold on.
You on the YouTube?
Nah, for some reason the YouTube acting funny with me, bro.
You can't see the screen unless
Probably
you
yeah, probably because he on his phone because he on Discord chat and probably trying to go to
Yeah.
YouTube. Shit, probably just tripping.
Yeah, that bitch tripping. That bitch had started getting hot.
That bitch finna blow up, man. What type of AI shit our phone got going on, man? We finna put puts on their ass.
I'm gonna try to go back to it. Then.
Hey, you watch the Jaguar game, Gerard?
Hell no, man. Watch no fucking Jags.
Don't even watch them, dog. You know what? I ain't even say nothing, dog.
Fucking
Bro, they
Jags,
so
man.
trash.
Yeah, you see what's the name in here?
Who that?
What's the name in here? Cav, he in here. He writing in the comments.
He was.
Oh,
I think he
you-
went to the. Nah, cause he not in the audience no more. He should have went to the live. That's why I was trying to get him to go to the live.
Yeah, he was in the live chat.
Oh, what my I ain't got it on my screen. That's why. Okay, there
He
we
said I'm
go.
on the YouTube. Yeah.
Okay, bet. Yeah, I can see him.
What that is you got up?
This Microsoft, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now Pete, this. You see that? You see how it look? We got about the same type of price action on Nvidia. Them shits look identical, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you got uh Qualcomm.
All right, go to NDX.
Hold on, one more. Then you got the Qs, which is the Nasdaq.
Mm-hmm.
It's all setting up the same. They all just came off the bottom of that RSI. They getting a slight pullback, and they got a gap to fill to the upside.
Bro, I'm finna play NDX. Fuck all that.
I
I'm
knew
finna
you
go play
was gonna
bad.
say that
Oh,
shit.
them motherfuckers so expensive, dog. I mean, you can catch it at a good price if you got it set up. But bro, every time I go to get an NDX, dog, I just go with the SPX because them bitches is a little bit more cheaper, bro. But the NDX, that
Yeah,
motherfucker go crazy.
That
yeah,
shit
that
go
shit go
crazy.
stupid, dog.
I had seen a few motherfuckers take like a couple of thousand and turn that bitch into 15 like in a day.
Quick.
Like,
Hey,
yeah,
he be watching old girl too, Drake, in
The trade room.
yeah,
I
yeah,
be,
yeah.
bro, I be watching her. I joined her chat, bro, just to kind of see what the fuck she got going on and shit. And
Yeah.
she not really organized, but she be calling them bitches in there. She be calling them, and it's like
She
she'll do
don't
it
be
every day, huh?
So I was in there. She got people that she get her shit from, and she had them in there one time, and they was explaining to everybody how she be playing. You know what I'm saying? And she was trying to
Yeah.
make them. So she be getting her plays from other people. That's why she ain't as organized. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, cause she just be calling shit, and like it's like, bro, what do you like? You know what I'm saying? Like people that's newbies and stuff, like they gonna start buying stuff and they not gonna know when to sell it. They not,
Mm-hmm.
you know what I'm saying? It's just confusing. It's all over the place. But she do be hitting on them NDXs and SPXs, but she'll strangle them every day, bro. Cause that one hit gonna make up for all that, and she gonna have a little extra, you know.
Yeah. 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 But yeah, I had called NDX the other day, and I just knew that bitch was finna shit. Asked Gerard, man. Them bitches
Mm-hmm.
went, man, what, from $1,000 to like 6 bands, like in like
Yeah,
30 minutes, something like that.
quick, bro.
Hey, you know
That's
what? That same shit was happening though. Like, well, we seen it across the board. When you looking at like multiple, when you looking at
Yeah.
the technology sector, the tech, when you looking at tech across the board, and it's all giving you that same wave, that same motion. It's about that's what's confirming it, dog. Because you got different investors that's locked in with all these different stocks. So if each one of them is following the technicals, the Q's gonna flow with it.
Yeah. Exactly, bro.
Yeah, I
I
like
ain't gonna
that
lie.
that's
move.
Some people be intimidating because of the price of them bitches, bro. But man, look, that might be the motherfucking way to go ahead and get that bag, man.
Yeah, them Q's, that damn NDX boy. Yeah, you can that motherfucker will make you great.
that motherfucker make your salary, your mama's and your daddy's salary all in 30 minutes.
I'm
If
telling you,
you
go crazy.
Yo,
Yeah,
that should be crazy. Um
I think we got some maximum
I'm
setup
gonna
though.
catch that bitch one day, dog. Like I played it a couple times, but I there was times where I just pulled out because the shit was just moving so fast. And then I was like, man, I'm gonna either make 200 profit or something, or I'm gonna break even on this motherfucker because I'm not finna lose this whole 6K that I just put on this bitch, bro.
Yeah. That's what it be, dog. You don't be wanting to risk that type of bread, man. And I know it's a better strat. It's got to be a better strategy to playing that without risking the whole position.
I feel like you really just gotta be patient and wait and just wait for that day, bro. Like this week it might be like whatever
Yeah.
the biggest day to day we got, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be our probably 100% move.
The
That's
damn,
what old girl was saying. She was like, one day out of the week, you gonna get
One
that.
day every week it move. It'll do 100%. It'll go crazy.
I think it's gonna be
And
election on Tuesday.
it could be a election. Could be got data that day too, where it could be that Friday. Could be I could say it could be Tuesday or Friday that it's gonna do some crazy
Yeah,
shit.
I think it's gonna be Tuesday too. It's gonna go one. It's gonna go one direction Tuesday. That bitch finna either
Hmm.
go up and shit. Sometimes you may have to play it like old girl and take four bands and straddle that bitch, cause you know it's gonna run one way or the
Mm-hmm.
other.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. And then sometimes you can catch that bitch both ways, bro. That bitch should go both ways for you, bro.
Yeah, I said I do that too. She had kept the contract. When that bitch went the other way, she sold the other one.
Sold them, and then she was up. Yeah, that shit.
This the only thing scaring me about Tesla. This big ass gap.
Bro, that shit, I just looked at it, and that shit was just dropping, bro. I got that long call. I got it to March.
That motherfucker
Yeah,
gap.
Damn.
It gapped
yeah.
down and then it
I don't
gapped
like
up.
that. I don't like it getting right there or below the 248. That's not good. That's not
Yeah.
good.
But if you look at, I ain't look at Wicked Stocks today to see what he said on Tesla, but he's been talking about it being on a downtrend and then pushing back up to break highs and continue higher. I just forget what I think it's around this 247 level though that he gave for like if we break low and hold below that on the daily, then that'll give us confirmation to continue lower. And I forget what the next level was. Well, ultimately, we all know where it's going. It's gonna be a bumpy road.
Hmm. You said it's down in the overnights though.
Uh,
Yeah. I think it was falling down when I checked it like 20 minutes ago.
Shit.
Yeah, it's at 247.80, so it's already down $1.20 overnight.
yeah, shit, it bounced from 246.34.
Yeah, I'm still up on my contracts I got. Hopefully that bitch do a little rallying, man.
Yeah, I think they'll, especially if one of these other big tech companies do something for their earnings or just something. I think they'll get back up there. Maybe.
You
Yeah,
look
yeah,
at
we'll see.
did you look at DraftKings Drake?
What you doing?
It's forming a inverse head and shoulder, and they got earnings on Thursday. I think they may rally into earnings.
Yeah, DraftKings finna do it, bro. They got they've been talking about how much they've been like making, bro. It's been crazy with them.
I believe it,
Everybody sports betting now, dog.
bro.
Getting that.
It's crazy, bro, to see everybody do sports betting, but like, I feel like we the only we. It's a lot of people that do stocks and investments, but like just out of everybody we probably grew up with and shit like that, bro. We like the odd ones. You know what I'm saying? We
Mm-hmm.
really like the odd ones, trying to make a way, and everybody just trying to get quick money, trying to make it out. You know what I'm saying? But majority of them really not gonna make it out, bro. They gonna make themselves a whole. Like they not thinking long Jeopardy. They thinking now. You know what I'm saying?
The thing
And
about it,
then
none of that shit is structured for you to win. You know what I'm saying?
exact.
So that's the main difference between that and this. This is structured to go up. That
Exactly.
shit is structured to get you to thinking you win and then lose all your shit.
And they do it every game, bro. They be like, oh shit, home run. The motherfucker, oh he's out. Or, you know
Out of
what I'm
nowhere.
saying? Like, bro,
Bitch, every weekend, bro, you gonna see somebody on Facebook. They miss they parlay by one game.
and they
One
For
gonna
game.
sure.
screenshot it and post that bitch.
For sure.
What?
And the thing about it, they be happy that they was that close. But
They be happy, bro. They be happy that they was that close. That's
I
the
almost hit
one
that
right there.
motherfucker, boy. I'm telling you, I'm gonna hit that motherfucker next time. No, you not.
Bro, they gonna post the same shit, dog. Same shit tomorrow, bro. Like,
But
I be laughing at that shit, bro. It's just not, you can't even like look at it and not laugh, bro. It's just like this shit is like a joke.
my
Everything's a joke.
my boy, he do prize picks, which he don't bet on. He bet on the individual players. Now he pretty decent at that because you can go off of like stats and you can go off of different shit. But when you talking about like consistently feeling like you gonna know what team's finna win, um, yeah, that shit kind of dead, bro. Cause so much shit comes into play with that. I'd rather pick props and like, okay, this person getting over this amount of passing yards.
Yeah.
Like the props, you can hit that shit a lot easier than betting on them fucking games straight up, bro.
Look what Cal just wrote. He said, "Man, that shit been happening to me."
Straight up.
The best I feel like the only place like you'll have an edge in that shit, bro, is like live betting or the props. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Because live betting, you already kind of know what's
What's
going
going on?
on.
Yeah.
Team just playing whack or whatever, you know.
But
But
I got a homeboy though, man. You look at it, bro. A bitch will fucking on the parlay, bitch put 5 teams on there. They gonna hit 3 of them. Like
Yeah.
he quit doing. He just bet like one team, one game. You know what I'm saying? He'll put
Yeah.
like 5K, win like 3. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. He was
Just make
doing
it more
good.
simple, more simple than they
Yeah.
they just doing that because they want to put something small and hit something big, crazy,
mm-hmm.
you know. Like a 5 team parlay, like that's a like every once in a while hit, you know, like
Yeah. Shit, I'll do a 2 team and leave it at that.
yeah,
Take my little number and I'm out the door.
2 team a little bit smoother. That's just like what we finna do with the stocks this week. We got the 2 team stock parlay. We finna go in. I
Down,
got arm.
they don't
You know what I'm
know,
saying?
dog. They don't.
They don't know, bro.
Them motherfuckers will keep running like that. That sports betting. Once that game over with, that's it. But if you
Okay,
got a
so
good position, dog, and you got that motherfucker, you left some runners, you can triple, double, quadruple that shit, man.
yeah.
Think about it, bro. Stock market, this shit all year long. Fucking sports betting, we got seasons. We
Mm-hmm.
got seasons that we gonna be off. We got it's a lot that comes into play. That shit is not. This is not some long jeopardy, bro. That's how you see like our fucking society so fucked up. Like their mind is not fully
Mm-hmm.
there to recognize like you're not doing the right thing. Like even if you read the Bible and stuff, God says, like it's not good to gamble, like you know what I'm saying, stuff like that, and like I don't know, bro. It's deep, bro. It's really deep, but it's like it just shows to where our society is today, bro. It's like we're fucked. Like we are fucked, bro.
For sure.
If it's not people like us, bro, trying to make a change, like it ain't nothing gonna change, bro. We need more people like us, man.
For sure. It's a lot more people getting in and investing though nowadays. Like
Yeah.
you got, I think you, like you were saying earlier, you got people that split it. That you got some people that just go the route of just gambling and betting because they can make a flip, and then you got some realizing that damn, I can put some money into this market and invest and then really see some returns.
Yeah. I feel like the more people that's really gonna come into the market, bro, is probably like our kids, the Gen Zs, you know what I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying? They gonna be the ones coming more into the market than, the people our age or you know what I'm
Yep.
saying, around like
I don't know,
25.
man. These motherfuckers trying to be TikTok and YouTubers, man. Them motherfuckers.
Yeah, you right.
They
And
gonna
that's why
split too though.
they taking TikTok away from their ass. TikTok
Yeah,
ain't gonna be part of that no more. And
yeah.
then yeah, everybody want to do TikTok and YouTube, man. This shit.
I gotta
Nobody
get
don't
this
want to go
YouTube
work
shit
hard no
down though,
more, man.
man. I be seeing some goofy motherfuckers make a lot of money on YouTube, bro, and I just can't. Like, I gotta get with that wave, cuz.
I'm telling you, I'm on it, bro. I'm on that shit.
Like, bro, for instance, for me, bro, like I did some goofy, stupid shit when I first started my YouTube, bro. On one video, I don't know if you've seen it, but that one video had like 5 million views, and that one video alone made me like 22,000, bro, within like probably like 4 months, just on one video.
Damn.
But just stupid
Crazy.
shit, bro. I was doing stupid shit, bro. If I would have kept doing the stupid shit, dog, I would have been making,
Yeah,
you
hella
know, triple
bread.
that with each video, bro. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
people want to see that though. They want to see the stupidity, dog. They want to see you crash out.
And that's the thing, man. I just can't subject myself to doing that in order to be that on YouTube. My shit gotta come from something that I actually want to be doing, bro.
Exactly. If you do the science behind it, bro, you post some stupid shit and then you post some education, you gonna see where the money at for real.
Mm-hmm. For
That's
sure.
just like that's just with the society, you know, that we live in, bro.
For sure.
For sure.
But,
Man, but shit, let me man, I gotta get ready to run down here, bro. Shit, Gerard, I'm gonna hit you up in the morning like we do. And Tyler, man, it was nice meeting you, bro. Like for
You
real.
too, brother. I'll talk to you soon, man.
all right, G.
All
I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. So, we got Qualcomm, ARM. Uh, I'm looking at DraftKings and CyberArk, and then we got a bunch of earnings, the election, and the Fed rate decision. So that's where we at this week. We'll see how that play out.
You gonna be on in the morning?
I'll be on in the morning. I do gotta go to school. But I'm gonna be on because I want to get in some positions if the opportunity is there. So
All right,
yeah,
for sure.
yeah,
For
we'll
sure.
chop
I'm
it
gonna
up.
I'll talk with you in the morning too.
All right, that's a bet. We'll chop it up, buddy.
All right, buddy. Have a good night, man.
All right, G.
right, you too.
First
All right, for
YouTube
sure.
down. We'll get better.